A mule is a great example of how evolutionary designs diverge. They're always born sterile. So horses and donkeys can still procreate, but their offspring can't. And in time, they won't even be able to do that, which is the case between humans and the great apes. But that's not the case with the Neanderthals and all the other hominids in our genetic equilibrium. They all had the same number of chromosomes as us. They could talk like us, think like us, they even had bigger brains than us, and would certainly possess the second-order theory of mind. But there was a whole group of hominids in an equilibrium of their own, between humans and the rest of the great apes. They were fully bipedal, they used fire and had motor skills to create tools, possibly used clothes, and could somehow organize voyages to distant Indonesian islands 800,000 years ago. Unless, of course, humans took them there. All these timelines are based on what we have discovered so far, so we don't know if humans were around back then. Even though this group seems more similar to us than the great apes, they had 24 pairs of chromosomes and were genetically more similar to the great apes. Just like animals, they could communicate simple thoughts, but not someone else's thoughts. They had emotions, but no imagination. They could live in homes with us, but they wouldn't know how to build one. It's very hard to imagine what these creatures would have been like. Perhaps they would have come across as pets, a guard animal, a skillful handy animal, or a human's best friend. This entire equilibrium, including all the hominids in our genetic equilibrium, are all gone. That's why we seem so removed from the great apes, and the animal kingdom, and nature itself.